Director ketenan kakoi kekia Dr. Amanwar menta kasngi ulai thu baka jing test Naphang ki riu Paidbah hapo ki laitri ki jaka ki bakun thu ba Anjali barakhandai lat kadang ya chachan bat hadu menta ketenat kakoi kekia kadang lumi ka kaipot bat lasai kasngi ontep kat nungut ki bayo covid khat khandai bat kat nungut ki balai Dr. War ulai thuru baka ya ka jing test Naphang ki Paidbah khamtami ki badi madan bat kumjuru ki Paidbah bawan yau kadai leng baka antigen kit lani ki etike hapo yodo bada khandai lat nakaliang jongka Deputy Commissioner East Khasel District kongmat siudor war Nongbah kalai thu baki Bor District bat ketenat kakoi kekia kila persang bantes Naphang kombasan spangut kiriu Paidbah haga sisngi nakabanta ban pintinginai ke jingdon ki bayo jing pang covid khat khandai haka Paidai ber kakai pot jongka jing tes Naphang kiriu Paidbah kite ki jaka Director ketenat kakoi kekia Dr. Amanwar ulai thu ba hadu menta ke janmit ka jing tes kadang ya chachan but onyo ya kakai pot hadu ka step jongka khat khandai trip nailar
till 2 p.m. today is 44,234. Number of persons who tested negative 42,330. Number of test results awaited is 447. Total number of new cases 39. Out of this 39, East Khasel is 27. Out of this 27, 11 BSF, 7 are armed forces and 9 others. Ribhoi 3, East Sdang Hills 1, Southwest Garo Hills 1, West Garo Hills 7. Out of this 7, 2 are from BSF and 5 others. The total number of active cases as of today till 1 p.m. is 766. Out of this 766, East Khasel 446, and out of this 446, BSF 80, others 289, armed forces 77, West Khasel 3, Southwest Khasel 1, Ribhoi 103, West Sdang Hills 4, East Sdang Hills 6, West Garo Hills 189, Southwest Garo Hills 4, South Garo Hills 2, North Garo Hills 8. The total number of recovered cases are 6, and out of the 6, East Khasel 4, out of this 4, 3 are BSF and 1 others. West Garo Hills 2, 1 is a BSF and 1 from the others. And the number of people who have expired is 6. Going on now. Naimkha, Thalupara, Upper Moprem, Yodo, that means Anjali side, Yomolam, then Police Bazaar, Maupat, Umpling, Naimkha, Maupat, Umpling, nil, no positive cases. Jalupara till 3 p.m. today we got around 14. Upper Moprem till 3 p.m. 3, and the rest is Yodu and Police Bazaar. We'll know by the end of the day. Okay.